Run tracking helps us a lot in the few different sectors. Run track will be there with us. My name is Alex Bailo. I'm originally from Brazil. I started this company with one van. Then we started growing, going from 1 van to 3 vans to 6 vans. We went to 28 vans in total. This year we expect to grow a bit more. We never miss one day of delivery. We never have any problems. My clients start calling me and ask, hey, how long the delivery will take to arrive to me. In that time I used not have any kind of system in place, and run tracking help a lot to be able to tell the customer exactly what time I'll be in their house, which was amazing. I'm able to do more drops in one route. We learn how long it takes, so in that way we can optimize the routes better. To be honest, I tried other programs in the past, but the visibility, the way to dealing with the system is the best out there. We can track where the drivers are. We can make sure the drivers comply with the law. We can make sure we are on time every time. Run track is really necessary because they are.